Good afternoon, everybody. It's Angela and Dave at Wyllie's Travel Adventures. We've just come down to Blackpool for a couple of nights for David's birthday, which was yesterday. So I'm just going to do a room tour. We're in the Claremont Hotel, which is a choice hotel. All inclusive for the 2 nights. So we're in room 321. See if anybody's in.
Good afternoon.
And there he is, the birthday boy. He's having 3 days celebration.
3 days celebration
of his birthday.
Exactly.
So we've got a sea view room. It's
a sea view.
It's a sea view room.
There you go.
So you've got a wardrobe here. And let's see what's in the wardrobe. So you've got a couple of spare pillows. My coat. Coat hangers. Not much else. Let's have a look.
Yeah, hairdryer in here.
And then you've got 2 side tables there. But there's no plug sockets I can see. Which is going to be a bit of a... They're just the lights. Yeah, that's just putting sort of like the lights on. Double bed. Looks clean.
But we're not looking underneath.
But we're not looking underneath. We don't do that.
No. Leave that for somebody else.
Yeah. Television on the wall. There's a hairdryer in one of the drawers. It's an all-inclusive. This 2 nights we're here. Normally they do a Sunday to a Friday, so they don't normally do 2 nights really, do they? So they must be short of people, you know.
It's all right for us though.
Oh, it's all right for us, yeah, for what we want. We like the choice hotels. We've stayed in the mall, the Cliffs, and we've stayed in the Viking, which we do like the Viking. And we've stayed in here before.
Moons ago.
Yeah, many moons ago. No fridge though, which I'm surprised at.
No.
So it's just a small room. It's just, that's all you need really for a couple of nights. Basic bathroom. Toilet. Shower over bath. And your sink, and you get your like hand soap and your shower gel, etc. included. I mean, it's could do with a refurb like all these Blackpool hotels. But it's okay. What's the kettle like?
Cleanish, yep.
Clean? Is the cups clean?
Seen better, but
Seen better.
they're okay.
We won't be using them anyways.
No.
So we'll show you the view.
But there's no biscuits.
No biscuits. Oh, no biscuits. So the curtain's hanging off though. That's something. That might be reported to reception. Because that's not very good. So we'll probably say call in to reception on the way down and mention that. And it's a rainy Blackpool. But it's a nice sea view though. Yeah. I'm sure the last time we came here we were in a lot nicer room. But I think you'll better just leave that, David. Let them do it. Oh, he's trying to fix it himself.
1970 hooks.
1970 hooks. Oh, dear me.
I know them well.
So, what a nice sea view, though. It's all right for what we want, you know, just for the couple of nights.
Yeah.
All inclusive for 2 nights. 200 with the sea view, it was 282. We could have gone to the Park Hotel, which I was booked at first. That was 298 for a sea view. We'd ask for a deposit in case you wreck the room, as if we would wreck the room.
Well, you might.
Eh?
You might have.
But, I mean, I've seen better and I've seen worse in Blackpool, put it that way.
It's fine.
It's fine. Yeah, it's somewhere to put your head down.
Exactly.
Seems clean enough.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not rotching through the bed, put it that way. So that's it, that's the Claremont. And I shall be doing a vlog of the rest of the hotel. Maybe later on.
Sometime.
Or sometime before we leave anyways.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we're going to get changed now and back down. We don't want to miss any of the all-inclusive, do we, David?
Well, we were already missing it by you talking so much.
Ah! I've got to do this vlog though.
Well, it's
You
done.
know, I'll let you do it next time.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, have you fixed the curtain then? Have you just...
Yes,
All right, David's fixed the curtain.
of course I have.
Well done, so I don't need to go to reception now. Right.
1970 hooks, I told you.
1970 hooks and 1970 furniture. But there you go. Right, I'm going to let you get on now and we'll see you all later. Bye for now.
Bye.